G Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy in the flesh. Back with another legendary video, man. Me and my dog Sway behind the lens right now. Make sure y'all follow him on Instagram, subscribe to his YouTube channel. We about to do a little bit of a twist, a little bit of something different. At first, I was going to just give y'all my first drive back into McCleasy, which I could have gave you when I technically left full blown, but I forgot my GoPro, so rookie mistake. But now I want to do something different. I want to take y'all and give y'all the first drive in my McLaren, even though technically it's like the second drive. I want to give y'all the first drive, but I also want to give you reactions to people. I've been wanting to do this for a long time in all my cars, mainly my Hellcat and my McLaren. Definitely with the snap, crackle, pop with my McLaren and everything like that, and then just my Hellcat because I get tons of attention in the Hellcat as well. All three of them really, my truck as well. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I want to give y'all some real peer reactions, and me and Sway are gonna actually ride with the top up. So walk over here with me real quick, Sway. Shout out to my dog, Mr. Organik. So look at the Rolls Royce Race, man, with the gold feet to match the gold whip. Subscribe to his channel, follow my Instagram. So what we're gonna actually do, we're gonna keep the top up this time, because whenever we take the top down, and as you can see, all my windows are completely black the fuck out. And I like it that way because I can see you, but you can't necessarily see me. And sometimes, a lot of times, if any of y'all ever see me on the highway or on the streets, if I'm not in my McLaren with the top down and you can't clearly see who's in the car, most of the time it's not me. A lot of times, Sway is driving.
Uh-oh, the third day now. I'm at day 310. All right, for sure.
But no, a lot of times, a lot of my people are always driving my cars, and it's not always me. So sometimes, I used to tell Sway this, because Sway will be driving, I'm snitching on you again, brother. He'll be driving, he'll have the windows up or whatever, and then, you know, G Squad roll up to the whip. Anytime G Squad roll up, if it's me in the car, I'm always gonna roll down the window, show y'all love. For the G Squad that has seen me in the flesh before, y'all know this is a true statement. But Sway, he'll tell me all the time, or like my brothers or something, you know, they'll be in my cars, and you know, they not used to that attention, right? So when they be driving, Sway tell me all the time, he'll run into people, and he'll be like, yeah, they came up to the whip and they was going crazy. And I'll be like, well, did you roll down the window and say something? He'll be like, no. Nah. I'll be like, I said, damn, Sway, you got people thinking I'm a dickhead. I'm just rolling down there. I went up to the car trying to get his attention, he wasn't saying nothing.
Not all the time, but sometimes I feel like people just following me. But I keep forgetting I'm in your fucking truck. Yeah.
So they roll up, you just be looking up like,
yeah, but yeah, like, what the hell these niggas is following me for? Like,
But no, man, that's the G Squad. Shout out to all the G Squad out there in the world. But I like to have my windows blacked out because I like my privacy too. And at the end of the day, I like, because it be so hot, I like keeping that cool, you know, temperature in the whip. And so what we're gonna do today is a benefit of us, for us, I should say, because when I keep the top up now, obviously you can't see nothing in there. So we're gonna have Sway do, we're gonna have him get in there, he's gonna be holding the camera, and we're gonna catch people's real reaction. So the camera might not be focused on me the whole time, but that's okay, because right now I wanna focus on people's reaction. I wanna see, we're gonna go on the highway, side streets, and everywhere else that we can find in the top of the Mook areas to wherever. We're gonna be everywhere, and we're gonna show y'all all the real reactions that people gotta show y'all. So yeah, let's get it going. What's up, champ?
I'll be watching you on YouTube.
I appreciate you, brother.
It was good seeing you.
Good seeing you, man. Thank you for your support, brother.
Yeah, I support you every day.
Thank you, man. You be easy, champ. We got the first reaction back there. I actually seen him a lot before, all through downtown LA. Big G Squad for sure. And right now we got to get gas. We got a lot of people looking. We just got out the car, and boy, if life don't happen, I don't know what does. Look at the tire. That joint's sitting flat too. I'm assuming maybe it's something with the stem on this tire too, because you'll catch it on my dog Mr. Organik's video, because he actually posted, I wasn't recording at that time. But the front left tire was flat initially, getting the rims and tires put on, and then we found out, like, when we was pulling it out of my guy Full Blown Performance Alex shop, that it was losing air out of the stem on the rim. So maybe it's the stem on that rim over there as well, but I honestly don't know, because on that side over there is, remember when my wheel and all that stuff popped off when I got the rims put on the first time, and that whole accident, all that stuff happened, whatever it was that caused it. But that back left one right there was the tire. So when it slammed, maybe there's a hole in that tire that I don't know about or something. I don't know. We gotta get it all checked out. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.
Yo, YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Tall Guy Car Reviews.
Oh, you guys are car YouTubers?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I got you, bro. Write that down,
I appreciate y'all.
Yeah, bro.
Y'all have a good one, all right?
Thanks, bro. Hey, thanks, bro.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Everybody subscribe.
Is this a 720S?
No, 570.
Oh, shit. Okay. Nice, bro. I really want one of these.
All right, legendary. They said they like the rap. They like the car. He said, is it 720? No, it's a 570. Oh, I really want one of those. I think he just might want a McLaren. That's funny as hell. Shout out to y'all though, man. Shout out to all the G Squad out there as well. You know, I read a comment the other day that said, man, as soon as you get all your cars back, it's like it's always something happened. First Sway crashed my truck, right?
On accident. It was on accident.
Boom! Big disclaimer. But no, so first Sway crashed the truck, and then after that, now it's the flat tire on the McLeese. And then what y'all didn't see in the video was Jazz when her tire went flat in her Lexus, and I'm proud of myself for doing this. I manually took out the spare tire, put it on for my woman, all the above, and then when it got a new tire put on there and got it replaced and all that stuff. Oh yeah, my Hellcat tire.
Oh yeah, and down one.
Yep, my Hellcat tire. I haven't hopped in my Hellcat since. That's why y'all haven't seen me driving that joint. I actually gotta drop it off at full blown. We gotta get my Hellcat tuned all the way up. Man, this is crazy. There ain't no point even locking the car now, so yeah, still, where you gonna go? Yeah. But my Hellcat, I don't want to drive this because I actually got, let me show y'all real quick. Come here. It don't look like it's flat, but the tire pressure shows that it is. Come on, let's hop in real quick. So it sounds glorious, big time. So if y'all see it right now, the back left tire doesn't look flat on the outside, but it's a 17 right here. So I'm like, how does it go from 36, 37 PSI to 17 PSI unless I got either a slow leak, a messed up stem thing, or there's a nail in the tire. But the nail in the tire was on the back right one, and the back right one shows good, but the back left one's bad. So now I don't know what the hell's going on with this. So I gotta get this one checked out and my McLaren. We got two tight flat tires, but it appears me and my woman are going to take this Ram Reezy, the Ram Rebel, the gold member joint, but we're gonna go make a video on Love and Slim, so make sure before I lose my whole train of thought, make sure you go to Love and Slim, subscribe to our YouTube channels, me and my woman's, and follow us on Instagram, all right? Big G Squad can be Big G Love, so please go over there, subscribe, check us out. We just put up a video this morning. We got another one going up tomorrow morning, and that's what we're gonna have to take this to do today. My plan was to give y'all a reaction video in the McLaren today, but then obviously X, Y, and Z happened. And I can't do nothing with this because X, Y, and Z happened. And I can do something with this, but the truck is crashed. Might as well start the Ram Reezy for fuck's sake. You know what I'm saying? That's just for shits and giggles. Why now? Let's just hear that thing come to life real quick without the headlights. Sound glorious. Me and my woman, we gotta head out right now. Punching the time clock right now, man. We gotta get this show on the road. So we're gonna head up there. We're gonna grab my woman. We're gonna get her reaction because she don't know. I've been, out making content, so she don't know what's been going on as far as tires going flat on both cars and all that stuff. And now, obviously, the truck, I can't wait to see her reaction and see what she thinks. I'm not gonna tell her nothing until we actually get back down here. So I'm just gonna go up there, get her, come back, and then from there, y'all catch her reaction.
What's up, you guys?
Follow her on Instagram.
Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
See, I was about to get, see?
And what's the last one?
Make sure you subscribe to Love and Slim and also follow us on our Instagram.
Good job, baby.
Yeah, we're actually shooting a video right now, so you don't want to miss that. Thank you.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
We're a little discombobulated right now. Okay, I'll let you hold this though.
Thank you, baby.
We're a little discombobulated right now, but yeah, baby, you ain't gonna believe what happened.
What?
My tire's flat on my McLaren too.
No.
Yo, we went to drive off and I had to stop and get gas. That's the only reason my tire pressure light came on. And then we stopped and got gas, and then we seen the back tire was flat. You know see?
Yeah. What area?
Yeah, it was air in it when we left the other day.
Baby, them rims too fire, that's why. They flatten the tires.
Hey, but that, that's the side where it messed up at. Remember when the wheel popped off?
It's something with every one of them, dang.
They look legendary though.
They do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
So
still
it
got
is
the
what it
Mustang though.
Huh?
You still got the Mustang over there.
Come on, Sway. You ain't even had that long. Pretty soon we gonna have you in the track, Hawk, brother. You know what I'm saying? But the good thing is though, at least you got all your kinks and bruises and bumps and all that took out on my car and your car before you actually get a car that you actually cherish. You know what I'm saying? So that is true. So I guess if you had to do it, brother, I'd rather you do it to my car than your car, because at least I know I can take care of it.
Well, wait.
What?
You have another car. Ruby.
Baby. Catch y'all next video, man. Tall guy.
That's so jacked up. Y'all gonna quit doing Ruby like that.
I'll catch y'all next video, man. Tall guy. See y'all in the next one, baby.